Hi everyone, in this question we're going to find the equation of the tangent at the point 3, 3 on the curve x cubed plus y cubed equals 6xy. The curve shown in the diagram. This curve is called the folium of Descartes, and the general form is x cubed plus y cubed equals 3axy, where a is some constant. What we need to do is find the gradient function for the curve. So to do that we'll use some implicit differentiation. What we'll do then is differentiate both sides of the curve. Differentiating x cubed is not a problem, but let's consider how to differentiate y cubed. So we want to differentiate y cubed. And remember, y is a function of x. So that's like writing d on dx of fx cubed. So let's differentiate this. We'll have 3 times fx to the power 2 times the derivative of the function, like that. So instead of writing fx, we'll write 3y squared times dy dx. And we'll add that to our question. So when we differentiate x cubed, we'll get 3x squared. And from our previous calculation, we'll have 3y squared times dy dx when we differentiate y cubed. Now we'll use the product rule to differentiate xy. So we have x times the derivative of y, which is dy dx, plus the derivative of x, which is 1, times y. This is simply the product rule. So on the right side, we'll just simply distribute the 6 back inside the parentheses. Now we'll group our dy dx terms onto the left side. And we subtracted 3x squared from both sides, so it appears on the right side here. Now factorize out dy dx, because that's the common factor on the left side. Then we divide both sides by 3y squared minus 6x. So this will be our gradient function, but we can simplify a bit more. So we'll factorize out the 3 from the numerator and denominator, and that can cancel out. And this here is our final simplified gradient function. We're given that 3, 3 is on the curve, and we can now calculate the slope at that point. All you need to do then is substitute 3, 3 into your gradient function, and we'll get the slope -1. Now to get the equation of the tangent line, we'll use the slope point form for the straight line, and x1, y1 is the point on your curve, and the gradient is -1. So substitute those numbers in, you'll get y minus 3 equals -1 times x minus 3. And when you simplify, you'll get y equals -x plus 6. And that equation is shown in the diagram here. Thanks for watching.